Did you know pepperoni is possibly one of the most popular pizza toppings across the globe? Today, I'm going to make one of its kind pizza pepperonis for you. Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay Chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. Pepperonis are possibly one of the most favorite toppings for all pizza lovers. And the go-to place in India is Blue Tribe that gets you India's first plant-based pepperoni. With taste and health that goes hand in hand, let's have some fun. Now here's something that's important for all of you to know. This is the packet that's generally frozen. You need to pull this out of the deep freezer and keep it in the refrigerator for at least 45 minutes to an hour so that this thaws completely. Well, I've done that. The next step now is to straight make the pizza sauce. Let's do that. For this, what I'm going to do is take ripe red tomatoes, cut the caps off, and then cut them roughly. The whole idea is to make an Indianized sauce for the pizza. Once the cutting is done, all of this gets transferred into a blender jar. The next that goes in, some cloves of garlic. The next is to add in some herbs. Now in this case, I'm adding in dried thyme, I'm adding in dried oregano, and I'm also adding in fresh basil, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of chili flakes, salt, like a complete package in the blender before it hits the pan. Grain sugar, dried oregano, chili flakes, fresh basil leaves, and finally salt as required. Let's cover this and grind this into a fine puree. A tomato puree is done and ready. The next step is to cook this. Let's begin with a little bit of oil, and before that begins to heat, I'm going to add in the puree. Now at this point in time, it looks pale orange, but as this starts cooking, and this will take roughly around 4 to 5 minutes to cook beautifully well, it'll become nice bright red in color, exactly like a pizza sauce. The sauce has been cooking on high flame for roughly around 5 to 6 minutes. It has reduced, it has become nice, dense and flavorful. With this, off goes the flame. The sauce gets transferred in a bowl. Here I have some ready whole wheat pizza base with me. I'm going to smear a tomato sauce on top of this. I'm going to top this up with vegan pizza cheese. Let me now top this up with pepperoni. Let me add another thing about Blue Tribe's pepperoni. This is the only plant-based pepperoni in India. And let me also add that this is just like the non-vegetarian version, if not healthier and better. I'd suggest grab your packets quickly before they run out. Use our code GETCurried15 to avail a special discount on their yummy range. The next step is to, of course, bake the pizza, for which I am using actually a griddle pan. Let's very gently lift the pizza and place it in the pan. But before that, just a few drops of oil. Just turn the pizza around so that the oil gets smeared. Finally, we cover the pizza and cook this on medium flame for 3 minutes. With this, off goes the flame. Let's have a quick check. Let's transfer this onto the cutting board. Time to cut this. And add in some fresh basil leaves. With this, your plant-based pepperoni pizza is done and ready. You can make this at a party or enjoy it all by yourself, just like me. Also, introduce yourself to this stunning range by Blue Tribe and enjoy this guilt-free treat. This is me, the Bombay chef, Varun Inamdar, signing off. Bye for now.